How to set up Jockie music bot in Discord. This process or method is gonna be easy. All you have to do at first is of course open up your Discord client and ensure that you are fully logged into your account. In here what you want to do is just to enter the specific server which you would like to add Jockie music bot. Once you're in, just simply click on your current server and then head straight into server settings. Now just scroll down and under apps field, just hit on app directory. So this is where you can add Jockie music bot. So go into the search box and type in Jockie music bot. Now choose on Jockie music and click add app. Now if your current server is not set it as default, just simply choose the server where you would like this specific bot to be added. Now simply hit on confirm, authorize, and wait for it to fully added to your server. You just have to complete this small captcha right here. Tick this box that says I am human and you are completed. So that is how you add Jockie Music Bot or set up Jockie Music Bot in your Discord.